If you're anything like me, you love it when a travel trailer shows up that completely blurs the lines of what we think a travel trailer can be. That's exactly what's happening with the Grand Design Reflection 345R LTS. This thing has been making waves, and honestly, calling it just a travel trailer almost feels unfair. Some folks are straight up calling it a fifth wheel in disguise, and once you take a closer look, you'll understand why. I first came across this unit while watching Matt's RV reviews on YouTube, and he does a full walkthrough that really shows off just how loaded this trailer is. Saying it's packed with features doesn't even begin to cover it. The 345R LTS comes with 3 slide-outs, which completely opens up the interior and gives it that big residential feel that a lot of people are chasing these days. Inside, you're greeted with massive living and kitchen spaces, a bathroom that clearly wasn't designed as an afterthought, and a bedroom that actually feels like a real bedroom. While Grand Design markets this as a couple's unit, it's absolutely flexible enough to handle family use or overnight guests without feeling cramped. Starting at the rear of the trailer, you're dropped right into a wide-open living room, kitchen, and entertainment area. The entertainment center isn't just for looks either, because there's hidden storage tucked behind it for valuables or things you don't want out in the open. The main seating area includes comfortable theater seating facing the TV, and nearby there's a dinette setup that's more about flexibility than converting into a bed. Half of it uses movable chairs, which makes the space feel less boxed in. What really helps with guest space is the trifold sofa at the back. Whether friends stay late, kids tag along, or someone just needs a place to crash, it's ready to go. Overhead cabinets add even more storage, including space above the TV, so you're not constantly trying to figure out where to put everything. The kitchen is one of my favorite parts of this layout. Grand Design went with a clean island-style setup, which keeps the sink and faucet centered and gives you tons of storage underneath. The rest of the kitchen runs along the same slide as the entertainment center. And yes, there's a residential-sized fridge that really drives home the extended stay vibe. It's easy to picture yourself here cooking, hanging out, and actually enjoying the space with friends. As you move toward the front, you'll pass through a hallway created by the bathroom walls, and that alone tells you how big the bathroom is. Inside, there's room to move, proper separation of features, and even washer and dryer prep for full-time or long-term travelers. One thing I liked in Matt's video is that he actually tests the bathroom in real-world ways. He checks legroom on the toilet and even has a larger friend hop into the shower to prove there's no squeezing required. Honestly, it looks roomy enough that showering with your partner wouldn't be out of the question. Up front is the bedroom, and this space gets its own slide-out, which allows for a true walk-around bed. It comes standard with a queen, but you can upgrade to a king if you don't mind losing a bit of clearance. A massive wardrobe stretches across the front cap, offering more than enough storage unless you're bringing your entire closet with you. There's also extra room at the foot of the bed for another entertainment center and additional storage. If the bed layout isn't your thing, Grand Design does offer a similar model with a north-south bed orientation called the 317R STS. That version has 2 slide-outs instead of 3, and switches around the seating and entertainment areas. The exterior of the 345R LTS has plenty worth talking about too, but I'll let you enjoy discovering that for yourself. As for price, Grand Design lists the MSRP around $95,500, which reflects the build quality, chassis, and exterior features. That said, dealers usually come in much lower. Matt mentions that General RV can sell this unit for around $65,000, which honestly sounds pretty tempting once you've seen what you're getting. Just make sure your tow vehicle can handle it, because the GVWR comes in at 11,995 pounds. If this trailer checks your boxes, it's definitely worth finding one nearby and seeing it in person. And as always, don't skip a professional RV inspection before you sign anything.